Hey guys, welcome to the video. I'm going to show you a bargain that I bought online. It's one of those fit watches. It's actually called Wearfit 2.0. I bought it online and it was $14.65, so let's just say €15. It's meant to be like a Fitbit and I just wanted to try them out. My niece got one for her birthday. She's 8 years old and I just wanted to see how good they actually are because her one seemed quite cool. So I bought it. It's just arrived. I'm going to show you it and talk you through my thoughts on it. So guys, make sure you drop a like on the video, hit subscribe if you're new, and let's get into the unboxing.
Get down to the B side.
Okay, so there you have it. I've unboxed it and I really liked it. Here it is on my wrist, and I wore it to training last night. So it arrived actually yesterday morning. Wore it all day and I wore it to training, and I did like over 13,000 steps from the moment I put it on to the moment I went to sleep. I really liked it. I think for €15 or $14.65, I think it's great. I really did. I was so surprised at how it was. Because I've been thinking about getting a Fitbit, especially for Yahi for Christmas, I just thought I'm not going to get a cheap one, you know. But I just wanted to try it, and I have no faults about it whatsoever. When I first took it off to try and see where you charge it, I struggled taking the strap off, but there's a knack to it, and once you get it, it's easy. It connects to your phone, so if you get a message on your phone, this will buzz and tell you who it's from. You can actually read it, and if someone's ringing your phone, it'll buzz. Yesterday my sister was ringing me and my wrist started shaking and I was like, what? So yeah, it's really cool. I haven't tried to answer it on the thing. I don't think that works, but it's just alarming you like, hey, get your phone, it's ringing. So I think it's really cool. It takes your steps, your heart rate, your calories burned, and how much kilometers you've done, or you can change that. So when you connect it to your phone, you've got an app and it tells you like everything in detail. You enter in all your personal details like your weight, your size, everything, your birthday, and yeah, so it just kind of gives you feedback on you. I wore it also to bed last night and it told me that I got 7 hours and 36 minutes sleep, and it told me that 1 hour of my sleep was a deep sleep, and it was all split up into sections. So if you go onto your app then and check it out, it shows you when your deep sleeps were and then your just normal sleeps. I was surprised because I had a great sleep last night, and I was so shocked to hear that only 1 hour of my sleep was a deep sleep. And I looked at it, and some of them could last up to 3 minutes or 11 minutes, but they're very quick, and I think that's down to your heart rate when you're sleeping. I'm not too sure. I will look into it more, but it's pretty cool to know, you know, how much of a deep sleep you're in or not when you think you've had the best night's sleep ever. I got it on AliExpress. There was a few other cheap ones, but I just wanted to get, you know, a good one that had really good feedback and many buyers. So this is the one I picked, and I am going to buy another one today because Yahi actually decided she wants this for Christmas, which works for me. When it's hooked up to your phone, you've got your date, your time, everything, the day. It tells you so much. It's everything you need in one of these kind of watches. Obviously it's not waterproof, so do not wear it to the shower or the bath because you'll probably explode. But yeah, if you're looking to get one of these watches, and even just to try it out before you actually go and buy an expensive Fitbit, I would recommend trying one of these. I'll leave a link in the description to let you know where to go and get one, and if you do get one, let me know your thoughts. I'd like to know what you think of it because I really do think they're great. Definitely a good buy for me, and I'm excited. I train twice a week. and I also coach and stuff, so it's always nice to see how many steps you've done and how hard you've actually worked at training. So I would recommend getting one of these if you want. And this is not a sponsored video or post at all. I just like showing people cool things that I've found for cheap. Anyway guys, make sure you drop a like on the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, drop a comment, let me know what you thought, and subscribe, and I will see you for the next video. Thanks for watching.